Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So when we have variables and we're assigning it to a value, what's this saying is that whenever we have whatever's on the right of the equal sign, the mathematical operation gets done before we're assigning it to the left. So for example, we have a variable rsum and it's equal to sum 5 plus 12. And it's saying that this is a predefined function of sum. So sum takes parameter a plus parameter b and returns that new value. So we get 5 plus 12 equals 17, and it's going to say rsum equals 17. So for this exercise, it wants us to call the process arg function with an argument of 7. So we have a variable here, process equals 0, and a function where it takes a number and it returns that number plus 3 divided by 5. So we do that process arg and we do it as 7. And then we want to assign it its return value to variable process. So we get this, copy it, equals it, and now we can check it by console logging process, and it's be 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 divided by 5 is 2, so it's to be 2 when we console log processed. And there you go. That's it for this one. Thank you so much.